Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing some more addition word problems with 3 whole numbers. So let's go ahead and read our I can statement and then we'll get started. I can represent and solve word problems that call for addition of 3 whole numbers using objects, drawings, and equations. All right, first let's warm up with 63 plus 20. So go ahead and write this equation down in your journal for me. All right, now that you have that written, let's think of the best way to solve this. 63 is a big number, so I don't want to draw 63 little circles. Can you think of a better way to solve it? If you said base 10, you are correct. So first I'm going to draw 63 using base 10 blocks. 63 has 6 tens and 3 ones. So I'm going to draw 6 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Plus 20. And in the number 20, we have 2 tens and 0 ones. 1, 2. 2 tens and no ones. How many do I have altogether? So first, let's count my tens. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. So 63 plus 20 is 83. All right. First, I'm going to solve this one on my own, and you are going to watch. This is an I do slide. Alex has 3 apples, Jada has 5 oranges, and Steve has 2 pears. How many pieces of fruit do they have in all? Explain how you know. So first I'm going to fill in my missing blanks with my numbers and my symbols. Alex has 3 apples, Jada has 5 oranges, and Steve has 2 pears. How many pieces of fruit do they have in all? I know I'm adding because it says in all, which means I'm adding all of the pieces of fruit together. The first thing I'm going to do is draw a picture to help me solve. Alex has 3 apples, 1, 2, 3. Jada has 5 oranges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Steve has 2 pears, 1, 2. How many pieces of fruit do they have in all? So let's go ahead and count the objects I've drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They have 10 pieces of fruit altogether. And I know this because I drew out each piece of fruit and I added them all together and I got 10. Okay, let's do this one together. Aaliyah has 6 strawberries. If she puts her fruit with Alex, Jada, and Steve's fruit, will they have 20 pieces of fruit? Explain how you know. So this is actually a 2 whole number addition problem. So it says Aaliyah has 6 strawberries, and if she puts her fruit with Alex, Jada, and Steve's fruit, which was, scroll back up to see, 10, will she have 20? So we're adding Aaliyah's strawberries to Alex, Jada, and Steve's fruit to see if she will have 20. So I want you to go ahead and write this equation in your journal and solve it. Ready? Pause. All right. First, I'm going to draw 6 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And fruit to represent Alex, Jada, and Steve's fruit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count all of our fruit together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So if Aaliyah added her 6 strawberries to Alex, Jada, and Steve's fruit, will they have 20? No, they will not. They will only have 16 pieces of fruit. And I know this because I added 6 strawberries to the 10 pieces of fruit that Alex, Jada, and Steve had, and I got 16. So that does not equal 20. All right, I want you to try this one on your own. So I'm going to read it to you, and then I want you to pause the video to write the equation and solve it. Justin plays with some cars. He has 3 black cars, 4 red cars, and 3 blue cars. How many cars is Justin playing with in all? So now I want you to pause the video, write the equation, and draw a picture to solve. Ready? Pause. All right, let's do it together to see if what I get matches what you got. Justin plays with some cars. He has 3 black cars, 4 red cars, and 3 blue cars. How many cars is Justin playing with in all? And I know I'm adding because it says in all, which means I'm adding all 3 numbers together. The first thing I'm going to do is draw a picture to solve. It says that he has 3 black cards. I don't have a black pen, so I'll use green instead. 1, 2, 3. 4 red cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3 blue cards. 1, 2, 3. How many cars is Justin playing with in all? So now I'm going to add up all of my cars together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Justin is playing with 10 cars in all. All right, so that's it for today, guys. Go ahead and head over to your math seesaw activity and go ahead and get that completed. Have a good day.